I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a debit card to your Rabobank account is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Rabobank app. Launch the Rabobank app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Cards. Once logged in, look for the Cards section in the main menu. Tap on it to proceed. Step 3. Select that card. In the Cards section, find and select the option that says Add Card. This will begin the process of linking your new debit card. Step 4. Enter card details. Input the required information for your debit card, such as the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double check for any typos, as this can lead to errors. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your card details, review everything and hit the confirm button to save your changes. You should receive a confirmation message once it's successfully added. If you encounter any issues, make sure your app is updated to the latest version, as outdated apps can cause problems. Happy banking!